workshops and confirmed events over the next few months. There are 4 of them: Iceland, Mallorca, Texas, Las Vegas, and a side quest to Lisbon in Portugal. Let's begin with the place that I've been the most. Actually, it's probably Las Vegas, but let's begin with Iceland. September 5th, which is coming up soon, there is 1 spot left at the time of recording this video, which means it might be gone or it might still be available. Those are the 2 options that it could be. The Iceland workshop is a workshop that I'm doing with my friend Cole. This is maybe the 4th time that we've run it together, and I think Cole's run this style of workshop in Iceland maybe 20 or 30 times. He's also photographed an insane number of elopements and weddings in Iceland, I think 50 or 60 last time I asked him. And the Iceland workshop I am co-hosting with Cole, who is from way up north, and we're doing it under the Roadie Workshops banner. It is a 1-day workshop, September 5th, which is less than 1 month away now, but flights to Iceland are easy from North America or anywhere in Europe. So there likely is a cost-effective way you can get there, even though it is getting a little closer to last minute. It's a 1-day workshop, so it's a pretty intense sunrise to sunset day. Fortunately, Iceland isn't 24 hours of sun right now, and you'll be back at the hotel by 10 p.m. It's gonna be a big day though. Here's how it goes. We meet up early morning at the hotel in Reykjavik, and we drive you on a scenic tour of Iceland. Our model couples are returning from the last trip, or if you were at Canada Photo Summit, the conference that we run here, you might have met Alex and Kinsey and Sarah and Aaron. Then throughout the day, we have a rough list of locations that we'd like to stop at, such as these big waterfalls you've probably seen on the internet and the black sand beach. But we're also open to where the good light is. We kind of run this like an elopement, that we drive around with a few rough ideas of what we want to do, but stop along the way if neat opportunities present themselves. Some of my favorite photos and locations from the last trip are not typical Iceland locations that you would find on Google Maps. They're just spots that worked really, really well for the couple in that exact moment. We're also going to be doing a welcome dinner on the 4th to say hello and see you in the morning. It's a hybrid workshop, so we're doing both photography and video, but you can take this however you want. If you want to learn some hybrid things, I am happy to help you out. If you just want to go and shoot photos, that is totally fine as well. Again, only 1 slot available at the time of recording this. Message me on Instagram if you live in the USA or Canada, and I can send you a USD checkout link so you don't have to pay the VAT that's on the official checkout page. Next workshop, Mallorca. This is a 2-day workshop, March 4th and 5th. I am running this with Cole from way up north and Roadie again. He's run this workshop a few times now and knows the locations really well. Mallorca is completely new to me though. I have not been there. This is also structured like an elopement where we'll have the locations in mind that we want to go to, but we are open to stopping along the way. Something cool presents itself. This is a 2-day workshop from sunrise to sunset, both of the days. It's also a hybrid photo video workshop, and I'll be teaching you anything you want to know about doing photography and video at the same time. Usually if it's high noon sun, we use that as an opportunity to talk a little bit more. And then morning golden hour, evening golden hour, we are taking pictures. Same goes for what I mentioned with the Iceland workshop. If you want to come and just shoot photography or just shoot video, that's totally fine. At the end of the day, this is an excuse to get out and create some of your best portfolio work in a beautiful location, and also to make this a tax write-off because now it's for business. Mallorca is also a great destination wedding location, and by shooting here, you are significantly more likely to organically book a destination wedding here in the future. This workshop was just released on Monday, so at the time of recording this, all 8 spots are still available. In other Way Up North news, my wife Lindsay is speaking at Way Up North in Lisbon this October, which is October 22nd and 23rd. Come hang out. Unrelated to all of this, I just released a free 2.5-hour wedding photography guide, including my new preset pack. These are new presets. If you got the old free preset pack, it is different. You also get my wedding day shot list, email templates, and a pricing template / video. It is completely free right now. Just use a link in the description. Next, not workshops, but kind of workshops a little bit. Imaging USA in Texas, which is officially from February 2nd to the 4th. I'm actually doing a pre-con class, so on the 1st, before the official launch of Imaging USA, there's a number of classes, and I have the 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. slot, and it's all about adding video to your photography business, not specifically just to weddings, but also in the commercial sense, doing promotional videos, content, live streams, and other video ways you can diversify your business with the gear that you already have. Then Imaging USA officially starts the following day on February 2nd, and there are lots more classes and great speakers and a huge trade show. Focal, a company that I'm a part owner in, is going to have a booth there, so come and say hello. Speaking of Focal, we launched this crazy new program that's working really well for a lot of people, and by that I mean legitimately booking them weddings. You get assigned a studio manager from the Focal team, and they run paid ads for you, generate new incoming leads, and then the crazy thing is that they also handle your email communications with those couples. So they're actually actively booking you work while you hang out and go to Imaging USA. And it's somebody that's actually properly trained in sales, not like me who just watched a bunch of YouTube videos. So yeah, it's crazy, and a lot of people are jumping into the program just to have someone to run their email for them. It honestly sounds too good to be true, And there's a catch, you just have to be a good photographer. So if you're a good photographer, you can apply. There's limited slots available because you are getting a real life human to manage your email box. Apply at the link in the description if you are interested. Next up, WPPI in Las Vegas. This is a convention that I've been going to since 2008, and I really love it. This year is a controversial year though. They're moving it off the strip slightly to Rio. I'm still trying to come to terms with this, but I think it's going to be okay. We're only a 5-minute Uber to the strip, but it does make things a little bit weird. I'm going to be doing official things at WPPI, which includes potentially a class before the listed dates. I don't have a full schedule or details yet, but I will let you know as soon as that becomes available, which is usually in September. I will likely also be doing a photo walk and a hybrid photo video class at WPPI as well. Plus, Foco will also have a booth on the trade show floor there as well, and we always have some fun activities like our grilled cheese celebrity chef parties. More to come on that closer to the event. Okay, I think that's all of them. Iceland, maybe sold out, maybe not sold out. Mallorca, 8 spots left. Texas, Imaging USA, that's a very large room. WPPI Vegas, schedule is still a mystery for the next few weeks, but I will be there for sure. And don't forget, get that 2.5-hour free video, shot list, email templates, pricing template, and a new free preset pack that I just updated. Link down below. And now I'm going to disappear, but the focus is going to change, so it's not a really slick transition. I would make it as an Instagram influencer.